Welcome to our LiLi cooking channel, where culinary delights come to life. Get ready to embark on a mouth-watering journey through a world of flavors, techniques, and irresistible recipes. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, our channel is your ultimate destination for inspiration, education, and pure gastronomic pleasure. Join us as we explore the art of cooking from scratch, sharing our passion for creating delicious meals that will tantalize your taste buds. From classic comfort foods to exotic international dishes, we're here to ignite your culinary creativity and help you master the secrets of the kitchen. Ingredients: 1 pound, 450 grams, ground turkey. Half cup breadcrumbs. 1/4 cup finely chopped onion. 1/4 cup finely chopped parsley. 1 large egg, beaten. 2 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce, divided. 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. Half teaspoon garlic powder. Half teaspoon dried thyme. Half teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 2 cups sliced mushrooms. 2 cups beef or chicken broth. 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour. Fresh parsley, chopped, for garnish, optional. Instructions. In a large bowl, combine the ground turkey, breadcrumbs, chopped onion, chopped parsley, beaten egg, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, Dijon mustard, garlic powder, dried thyme, salt, and black pepper. Mix well until all ingredients are evenly combined. Divide the turkey mixture into 4 equal portions. Shape each portion into an oval-shaped patty, about 1/2 to 3/4 inch thick. Heat olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add the turkey patties to the skillet. Cook the patties for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, or until they are browned and cooked through. Remove the patties from the skillet and set them aside on a plate. In the same skillet, add the sliced mushrooms and cook for about 5 minutes until they are softened and golden brown. In a small bowl, whisk together the beef or chicken broth, all-purpose flour, and remaining 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce until the flour is dissolved and no lumps remain. Pour the broth mixture into the skillet with the mushrooms. Stir well to combine, scraping up any browned bits from the bottom of the skillet. Bring the mixture to a simmer and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until the sauce thickens. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Return the turkey patties to the skillet, nestling them into the mushroom gravy. Spoon some of the gravy over the patties. Reduce the heat to low, cover the skillet, and let the Turkey Salisbury Steaks simmer for an additional 5 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Once the Salisbury steaks are heated through and the flavors have melded, remove the skillet from the heat. Let them rest for a few minutes. Serve the Turkey Salisbury steaks with the mushroom gravy spooned over the top. Garnish with freshly chopped parsley, if desired. These Salisbury steaks can be enjoyed with mashed potatoes, steamed vegetables, or a side salad for a complete meal. Enjoy your delicious homemade Turkey Salisbury steaks.